Okay. Hello, I'm sorry, honey. My internet is very weak. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah, my internet right now is very weak, honey, because of the weather. Hold on. Did you message me, honey?
yes.
This is you?
Huh?
This is you?
Yes,
Ah,
yes,
I really thought it's your mom all the time, honey. But is my voice okay?
yes.
Okay. I'm sorry, honey. I keep on lagging out because of the bad weather. Okay. So yeah, you are freezing. Am I freezing there?
Yes?
Yeah, am I?
No, no,
Yeah? Okay, but
no.
you are freezing. Okay, honey, I am just going to turn off my Wi-Fi, okay? My other Wi-Fi, my other cell phones. Okay? Can you wait for me?
Mm, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
I will turn off my other cell phone's Wi-Fi so that my Wi-Fi here in the laptop will be good, okay? Wait for a while. I will be back.
Ah, 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 ah.
Grabe kahina yung signal di. Mag-log out.
Không phải vì ừ.
Hello, Cookie.
Hello.
Did you hear me a while ago? Did you hear my voice a while ago saying
Yeah.
something for with my husband? Okay, yeah. I said dad, the signal is very weak. I mean the internet connection is very weak. And he said, "Oh, okay, I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi."
Yes.
Yeah, he's going to turn off the Wi-Fi, honey. Okay.
No, 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 no.
Okay. Is my voice okay, honey?
Yes.
Okay. That's really great to hear, my dear. Ah, what should I do with this Wi-Fi? Because of the weather, honey, I really can't control it because the weather is really bad right now. Should I do? I hope it won't. I hope nothing really. Honey, if that happens, that means my Wi-Fi is really weak. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. If something like that happens. Okay.
Mm.
So yeah. Teacher is now going to share the screen, honey, and we're going to continue with cat. I forgot what this is. I forgot the number of this lesson, honey. So anyway, I am now going to share the screen. We're going to continue, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, can you see your screen now?
Yes.
Okay, great. So we have here, yeah. Last time, honey, we had talked about this one last time about what are the advantages of living in a house compared to an apartment, honey.
Mm.
Yeah, and you told me the difference between living in a house compared to an apartment. Now, we're going to answer this question right here. So, what do you think living spaces will be like in the future, honey?
I think it's like this house. I want to be like this house.
An advanced. Do you think there like the technology in the future, honey, will change the houses in the future? What do you think? Do you think every one of us will have like a smart house A very, very nice houses, honey. What do you think?
I think I have a very nice house.
Really? I see. So you think that people, like all of the people will have nice house, like
Yes,
smart
yes,
house. Yeah, you
yes,
told me last time, honey, that it's your dream, right? It is your dream to have a smart house?
yes. But I like
Yeah.
this one. I like this one. Yeah. Oh,
Ah, I like that one. Yeah, that is also my dream, honey. Like yeah, it's just in a one house, one space, honey, but you have like a stairs and you can just go up when you want to sleep. You can study down there with a kitchen and everything. That's so small. But it has a very, very nice space.
convenient,
Yeah.
convenient.
Yeah, very convenient space, comfortable too. Very, very comfortable too, right? What do you think? Do you think it's comfortable?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so too. It's very comfortable to have a house like this. Okay. So you want to, but it's made of wood, honey. Would you like
Yes.
something? Would you like a house that's made of wood?
Yes.
Okay for you?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Okay. Actually, honey, my house is half cement, made of half cement, yeah, and half wood. Yeah.
Yes.
So really that hot here. Yeah, it's actually I think 60% refreshing here sometimes. Yeah.
Mm,
And it's so nice and peaceful living here actually, my dear. Yeah.
yes.
Anyway,
Yes.
thank you so much for that one. Okay. Now let's move forward to this one. Please read this one, honey. Kindly read.
Uh, talk about a home you have visited that you really like.
Yes.
Uh, uh, I only visit in the same house.
You've never
Like,
visited like a friend's house?
no, I think it's same house.
Ah, so there is no house that you've visited that's really nice.
Yes,
There's no house that you visited that you really like a lot. Every
yes,
house that you mean to say, honey, every house that you visited are just, ordinary. Ah, it's all the same. You didn't really like any house that you have visited before, Candy? I mean, Cookie?